started, we're going to enjoy ourselves, right? Just kind of look at those transits real quick. Okay, so sun's rising. Hey, look at that sunrise at 6 degrees Virgo in the Lahiri Ayanamsha. That's Vedic astrology that you're seeing, guys. Let me change these calculations, put it on tropical so you can enjoy that. All right, and you know the sun's at 0 degrees Libra, 52 minutes in the tropic. All right. We have the Lagna, which is the ascendant, at 2 degrees Libra, 14 minutes. And Vulcan's there at 2 degrees Libra, 39 minutes. Hey. Looky, Astro Cookie. Look at Venus ruling the chart in the ascendant there. Looky, Venus in the 11th house in Leo at 19 degrees Leo, 8 minutes. All right, there with Vesta. Looking at how hearts of the people, gaining the beauty and the balance, making sure the soul can evolve by utilizing that outwardly Vulcan-like energy to raise and rise what you can do in the materialistic realm, so to speak. To be able to evolve the soul in the esoteric realm. So, Vulcan kind of gives that exoteric quality, materialistic quality, in order for the soul to be able to be comfortable, to evolve. In Prophet Noah Ali's The Moorish Leader's Historical Message to America, he says, without economic security, we cannot attain to the higher spiritualities in life. I think that's rather important to kind of, think about that and look at that. I want to go and hit the astro clock and let you guys see the planets and everything moving in real time. I gave it to you briefly while I was there at Astro Ball. Hit the start animation button, yeah. I would like for it to sync with my computer, yeah. Appreciate you, software. So 4 degrees, Libra, 20 minutes, right? 4:20 was where that was when I just got it started. All right, so I'm gonna look at a few things, guys, and just pay attention to just some really chill things, right? So that means that the ascendant, if I was to look at the 9th harmonic for the ascendant, currently the ascendant is allowing itself to have the Scorpio Navamsha rise while it's there for the next, less than 12 minutes or so of an interval. Because, a Navamsha is only 3 degrees, 20 minutes in span for a second. Let me stop the share real quick, right? And just say, peace and greetings, Islam. I am Brother Hasan Ghaziel Bey, here in Morocco at northwest of Mexico, right? All right, so I'm doing some printing. I'm going to still do a weather report, all right? So I'm just knocking these things out. And I'm going to still do a weather report, guys, all right? Let me go back and screen share now this chart, this astro clock, so you guys can see it moving in real time.
Yeah! Come along and study with me!